Welcome to the Ron and Joanne Cooking Show. We were asked to share one of our favorite Eliminate projects, and we decided to do our cookbooks. We started with this cookbook with desserts called Sweet Endings, thinking that would be our only cookbook, but everybody had so much fun we ended up doing 2 more. So Ron's contribution to this cookbook was Be Cool Pineapple Pie. Ron has never made this. He's eaten it, but he's
it's good.
Never made it.
It is good.
So Ron, you're going to mix stuff.
Oh boy.
Okay. So first ingredient is 16-ounce container of sour cream. We like to do the low fat. You can really make this a healthy pie.
Well, and I need that.
Or healthier. Then we have 2 boxes of vanilla pudding. We use the sugar-free. Okay, you can start stirring.
Okay. Keep it in the bowl.
Keep it in the bowl. And then a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple with the juice. And we use it in the pineapple juice, not the heavy syrup. So it's kind of hard to stir. Are you getting it? This is a very quick pie to make. And then I'm going to pour in a little vanilla. Make sure you get the bottoms.
I will. Oh boy, does this look good. Oh.
And then you
pour.
pour
Take a look at here. See? Right there.
Good job, Ron.
Okay.
Then you pour it in a graham cracker crust. Now, I don't like to do the regular graham cracker crust, so I just put crushed graham crackers in the bottom to cut down on calories too.
Is this really going to pour?
No, you need this.
Oh, the spatula?
Yeah.
Here, I'm going to come around over here.
Okay. Let me finish that. You can have this.
Oh, I can have this? That's what I really like to do with this pot.
That's usually what Ron does to help
Every
me.
time we work in the kitchen,
That's right.
this is my treat.
Ron's a big help.
Mm.
Okay.
I clean up.
Do you want to?
I don't put it back in there.
No, smooth that out, Ron. And then we have to have a little bit of whipped topping here. Everything tastes better with whipped topping.
Now, we don't have to cook this.
No, we don't cook it. It's a refrigerator pie.
Or you can eat it pre-refrigerator. Couldn't
Take
you?
a clean spatula. Well, you could.
Yes.
If you wanted to.
If
Okay,
you're
I'm
really
gonna
hungry.
put this on here and you smooth it out. Lots of topping.
Almost looks like meringue. But I know it's whipping cream. I'm sorry, Cool Whip.
Whipping cream.
Whipping cream.
Well, whipped topping.
Whatever, yeah. It's the white stuff.
That tastes good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now sprinkle a little graham cracker crumbs on the top. And that's it. And we just happen to have a finished product.
See what I mean? You could eat this one. Or you could eat this one.
Yeah, we may give our photographer this pie to take home.
Oh, wouldn't that be nice?
Yummy.
Okay, let's see if we can get a piece out of here. If not, we can just cut this out of the video. Well, okay, there we go.
The finished product. Voila!
Made by Ron Smith.
Yes.